Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Microsoft Forms. This is a powerful tool for gathering feedback, conducting research, or simply collecting information from your audience in an organized and professional way. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access the Microsoft Forms platform. This is where you'll be creating and managing all your surveys and forms. After logging in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled New Form. Click on it to start building your survey from scratch. This brings up a blank form ready for you to customize. You'll notice a field that says Untitled Form at the top. Click on it and enter a title for your survey. For example, you might type Customer Feedback Survey. This title helps you and your respondents understand the purpose of the form right away. Now, it's time to add your first question. Click on Quick Start With, and from the options that appear, select Choice. This question type is perfect for surveys where you want respondents to pick from predefined answers. In the question field, type your question. For instance, you could ask, "How satisfied are you?" This serves as the main prompt your audience will see and respond to. Next, move down to the Options section. In Option 1, type Very satisfied. Then, in Option 2, type Extremely satisfied with my experience. These are the choices your respondents will select from when answering the question. If you'd like to offer more options, simply click Add Option. This allows you to expand the list of answers available. For example, in Option 3, you might type Not fully satisfied. Adding multiple options ensures you capture a range of responses and get more nuanced feedback. Once your first question is complete, you might want to add more questions to your survey. To do this, click Add New Question and repeat the same steps. You can build out as many questions as you need to gather comprehensive information from your respondents. Before sharing your survey with others, it's always a good idea to test it out yourself. Click the Preview button located in the top toolbar. This opens your survey in a new window exactly as your respondents will see it, allowing you to review the layout, test the functionality, and ensure everything looks polished and professional. And that's it. You've now created a fully functional survey using Microsoft Forms. This tool makes it simple to collect valuable feedback and organize responses efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.